It's a big day today. After 14 days on anchor in front of Ramon's in San Pedro, we got the green light to go see the doctor and get a vital check. If the vital check proves to be good, then we're gonna get the green light to sail out. Fingers crossed. Wish us luck.
We are Gabi and Dan, and our goal was to sail around the Caribbean. In January 2020, we picked up our boat Lira Astra in Guatemala and took off to Belize. We reached San Pedro, and just before we set the course for Mexico, COVID-19 became a world pandemic. We are stuck in Belize. The first case of coronavirus was announced in San Pedro, and the region has been placed under lockdown.
So this is what happens when you run out of water on the boat.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. I'm stuck in the blue.
Hello. There you are.
Hola.
Hola. Vamos ficar hola.
Hola.
Hola. How are you, buddy? Ale, ale. Hola. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. So this is our quarantine. We've been on the boat for the last week, and then we made some friends and went to their pool, but the manager came in, kicked us out. So we went one more property over and then found this great place with another pool. And the owner said, hey, just go chill.
I'm stuck in the blue. Stuck in the blue. Stuck in the blue.
Today is
Very important day.
day number 7. Today we called the boatyard to ask them if we're gonna leave. They said they would check and get back if they never. So I guess not. Quarantine in San Pedro, day 10. We refilled the water container from 80 liters manually.
Look what happened to our pink flamingo.
Today,
It's drunk.
in the windy San Pedro,
There is no wind.
there is no wind. The water is crystal clear, and I think
Yeah.
it's the perfect time for some snorkeling. To ani neskúšaj.
Big day today. After 14 days on anchor in front of Ramon's in San Pedro, we got the green light to go see the doctor and get a vital check. If the vital check proves to be good, then we're gonna get the green light to sail out. Fingers crossed. Wish us luck. So we're waiting in front of the doc's office. It's 8 a.m.
Like what we just went through in the last few days was really tough for me, you know.
Yeah.
And even how we fixed it was tough. And I'm just saying, if possible, I would like to aim to have a more luxury, you know, living on the boat, and that's all.
Yeah.
And I know it takes money, but you know, like that's all. I would like to live my life a little bit more comfort. I mean, yeah, I know. We say we're traveling, whatever, it's fine, yeah. I already gave up on my closet and all my stuff, but I think a little bit of
You're the best baby.
a little bit of comfort I deserve.
Stuck in the blue. Stuck in the blue.
So we succeeded! Yay!
Good
It was
news.
very stressful at times.
Yeah, we spent an hour and a half at the doctor's office, but we passed the check. We are healthy, and we are allowed to leave San Pedro after 2 weeks.
Jednáme, jo? 1 o'clock? Ale máme 3,6 metrů, takže to je OK. We went faster, it'd be hurting. Yeah. When we went with the waves, we were in their mercy. So we have more control. Like we have slow speed, but it's okay.
We are leaving San Pedro finally. We've been here for about 3 weeks. So around 10 days the town was on lockdown, and yesterday we were cleared. We got a permission by the local authorities because they are here monitoring the arrival, you know, the coast of San Pedro. So let's hope that the information was passed on correctly, because these guys have boats and
Guns. They have big guns on the
big
boat.
guns, yeah. So we asked the doctor to please make sure that he passes on the information correctly, that we can actually leave.
Počkej, oni možná mohli s náma. Sailing vessel near Oscar, over. I have a
we are gonna move to a safer place and have our
Side of the
quarantine
water.
there.
What is a bigger problem is that the anchorage was not really protected against stronger winds, and we would be washed off on the shore.
The safety comes first, and then is comfort. And you know, we missed the sailing. We are actually excited that we get to sail a little bit at least. We don't know what's gonna happen.
And right now we have really good sail. We're doing about 6.5 knots. The wind is beam reach, about 16 knots. It's actually nice, partially cloudy, but not really affecting or impacting anything. Big waves because there's the deep water is hitting the shallow waters, so we got little big swells, choppy. But aside of that, very nice day so far. Paráda, že to funguje dobře. Jdeš tam dopředu a povolíš mi čeno. Povolíš ho až na první tečku. Můžeš. How many times did we try to leave San Pedro?
Thank you for following our voyage. And please subscribe to our channel for more adventures.
I would like to have the water maker. I would like to have more power so that we can switch on the freezer. I know these are small things, but you know, it's what I would eventually wish for because I know it's possible. Others have it.